Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Etsy sales tax reporting with Etsy tax settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Etsy sales tax reporting, start by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, click on Shop Manager in the upper right corner. In the Shop Manager dashboard, select Settings from the menu on the left. From the Settings menu, click on Taxes. You will see the option to set up sales tax settings. If you sell in multiple states, review the sales tax rules for each state where you have a tax obligation. Next, click on Edit next to the Sales Tax section. Choose the states where you want Etsy to automatically collect sales tax. If you do not see your state listed, you may need to update your location settings. Once you select a state, Etsy will calculate the appropriate sales tax based on the shipping address of your buyers. Be sure to read the information provided about your responsibilities regarding sales tax. After configuring the states, review your tax rates for accuracy. You may also set up tax settings based on specific product categories if desired. Once you finish, click Save to confirm your settings. Make sure to periodically check for any updates to the sales tax laws that may affect your business. You can access reports on collected sales tax through your Shop Manager. Navigate to Finance and then select Payments. Under Payments, you will find the Sales Tax Report section. Review your sales tax reports regularly to ensure compliance. By following these steps, you will successfully configure sales tax reporting for your Etsy shop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.